Hi there, welcome to the course on 5S implementation towards quality at workplace. This is your friend Dr. Dheeraj Mehrotra, and I'm trying to enhance your skills towards understanding the mantras of 5S and how best it can rotate in your spectrum. Traditionally, 5S is thought of as being just about tidying up or good housekeeping. And on a simple level, it is, but approached properly, it can be much more than that. It talks about something more than housekeeping, and that is what we need to learn. The 5S practice is a technique used to establish and maintain, above all, a quality environment in an organization by improving its organization, the conduct, the upkeep, the share, and the priorities. Above all, the 5S technique is a methodology for organizing, cleaning, developing, and above all, sustaining the format of productivity, whether it is teaching, learning, or an office management whatsoever. And that relates to, in a big way, a very, very comfortable exercise which brings prosperity at workplace. Well, it is a methodology which talks about a visually oriented system of cleanliness, organization, and arrangement designed to facilitate greater productivity, safety, and quality. It also provides a foundation for more responsible behavior on the job, better teaching, better time management, better learning, and above all, better morale. Well, 5S talks about an orientation of a classroom. Well, it improves efficiency of workplace. It improves overall appearance of a school or any workplace and improves perfection. That is something very important. Well, we need to question, does this describe your workplace? Crowded files, crowded registers, things lying here and there with no nomenclature of where the things to be kept. Space is crowded with parts and tools of learning and teaching. Well, unneeded items are generally kept here and there. Stacked within the classroom, it makes it difficult to improve the teaching learning process. Well, tools for experiments and teaching are dirty, and a collection point for miscellaneous materials should be there in a proper format. Needed equipments such as chalk, dusters, charts, markers, probably they are difficult to find. So, this particular scenario, if it is with you, I think it is the high time that we implement the 5S culture in a big way. And we are going to come up with wonderful ideas, with wonderful solutions. Probably we try to analyze these strategies in the best possible manner. Well, as we know, as we have done the revision work in our earlier video, the 5S, as the name suggests, they stand for Siri, Seton, Siso, Siketsu, and Sitsuke. Well, let me spell out. The first word is Siri, Seiri. The second word is Seton, Seiton. And the third word is Siso, Seiso. The fourth one is Siketsu, Seiketsu. And the last one is Sitsuke, Shitsuke. And based on the above Japanese words that begin with S, the philosophy 5S has been moduled to perfection for the effective work usage, workplace assignment, and above all, the standardized work procedures. 5S simplifies your work environment, reduces waste and non value activity while improving quality, efficiency, and safety. These are all priorities, for any office or a platform or a learning environment to be info friendly, to be client friendly, to be student friendly. We need to concentrate on cleanliness as a priority. Above to the fact, let me revise, let me converse the five S. The first, Siri, meaning putting things in an order. It is a Japanese English format. If I repeat, Siri means putting things in order. The second S, Seaton, means proper arrangement. The third is Siso talks about cleanliness. And in a big way, Siketsu talks about purity, the standardization. And Sitsuke implements commitment in practicing all the above four S in a big way. Well, if I'm talking about the first S, Siri, in English, Siri stands for organization, right? And above all, so what does organization really mean for a school? Well, definition, if I'm understanding, organization means keeping all the necessary things needed for a related work and separate from unnecessary recognition, right? That is keeping things in a proper way, proper place. We need to learn how to remove all unnecessary items, resulted in a cleaner and more customer friendly environment. Why to have a load or a load of things here and there? Example of organization, for example, it comes to if tools for learning are stored in an organized manner, teachers and students will know where to find them when needed rather than keeping it here and there. The advantages of organization, the first S, means saving in use of space, removal of excess infrastructure, more space made available for filing, cabinet, shelf, avoidance of error, elimination of unsafe situation, and above all, preventing rusting or damaging materials. So this comes the first S, and I'm sure you're enjoying the course. In the next module, we shall talk in detail about the second S. Thank you. Till then, take care. God bless.